My favorite color is red.
No, yeah, and he's a fantastic actor. Fantastic! You're a great actor. I said you were a good actor. I said you were a good actor.
That's really high.
Did it! All right, I believe him.
Have a staring contest? Break down. You blinked. I blinked. Oh. For the most part.
Perfect fit. Oh my god.
He said one day you'll leave this world behind, so live a life you will remember. My father told me when I was just a child, these are the nights to live or die. My father told me.
You're so drunk.
I've got no roots, but my home was never on the ground.
I think I'm getting the hang of it.
But my home was never on the ground. I've got no roots. I've got no roots. I've got no roots, but my home was never on the ground. I've got no roots, but my home was never on the ground. I've got no roots. I've got no roots. They are no good.
Yes. Look. Nice. You got it too, man. All right. Perfect. I'm ready. That's awesome. Dude, I was not ready for that at all. Sorry. This is fine.
My dad's helping me on surgery.
Tell Scott a lot of things. I don't know what, but tell him something.
Can we do it after that line? Can you see me laughing? I think we nailed it. I think we nailed it. I was looking broadened in rain. Liam's my best friend. I'm going. Sorry. Sorry. What's happening? I can't see. Oh. Wait a second. I've seen this. These are your balls. Why are you so mad at me? All the time.
Chimeras. Cameras.
Wait, how do you pronounce it? Chimeras?
Oh, I thought you did it on purpose.
I forgot my lines.
Oops. Sorry.
Click something.
Alright, first of all, I got a lot to think about.
Oh, wait. Where's the rest of the cast?
I run this hospital.
This was gonna be the best take ever. Wanna make up? Yeah. Okay, cool.
What am I supposed to just cover that up? I'm gonna get on a train and I'm gonna ride the rails in Europe.
Get on the train!
Come on, we gotta get out of here! Hurry! Suppose he talked about that.
And how did the sword and the body and the button line up with McCall's?
Do you wanna redo that?
That's pretty awesome.
Hey, Secure, okay? Scott? Okay.
Go right?
Hey, no problem. Scott?
Next time.
I took your ride. I'm supposed to go right?
What if Scott really just has to poop?
Yeah. Guys, I just gotta take
Scott?
Gotta poop really bad, sorry.
It's coming out.
Do you recall not long ago when you would walk on the sidewalk? Innocent, remember all we did was get
fantastic actor. Fantastic. You're a great actor. I said you were a good actor. I said you were a good actor.
Jordan and I used to be like really good friends, and ever since he became Void, he's just been like, he's just not the same.
Hey, bro. What's up, bitch? Oh, was that your water? That sucks. Who wants my autograph?
I hate Void Styles so much. It's almost like I don't even know him anymore, you know? I was just answering a question that they asked me about you. I wasn't... They wanted to know... No, I didn't...
Amateur hour.
No, I've been...
Amateur hour.
I hate you guys.
No, hang on. I work with.
Sorry, we're ready for you whenever you are.
Oh, you're ready for me?
Yeah.
Oh, that's funny. That's very funny. I'm not exactly ready for you. So, take it easy. Thank you. Yeah, no, I'm sorry. One sec. You see these? I could kill you. Get out of my sight.
No, hang on. I work with.
Sorry, we're ready for you whenever you are.
Oh, you're ready for me?
Yeah.
Oh, that's funny. That's very funny. I'm not exactly ready for you. So, take it easy. Thank you. Yeah, no, I'm sorry. One sec. You see these? I could kill you. Get out of my sight. They're shooting your scene right now. Aren't you supposed to be working? What are you... Oh my god. You sir? What? I said... You know I can kick your ass. Are you smelling me?
I'm gonna need help.
Need help?
I need help.
Need help?
I'm really sorry.
I'm like,
I'm sorry.
okay, I found him. I'm putting him on the bed. Baby, we gotta go. They're still ready.
Hey, Dylan,
They're still ready for you on set.
One of my lives.
You have to be on set. I'll tell you.
Get out of your lives if you just go to set.
Wow, you're really heavy.
Oh, my sunglasses is on. Why are
You
you
just
so
film this scene, and then we'll let you go.
heavy, bro? Okay.
Yeah, keep another 5 to 10.
You changed, man.
Yeesh. Do I have to change wardrobe?
The f you look, man.